As you know, labor is one of our biggest challenges. The Perma-Column, we dig the hole, we can call the inspector, put this product in and start building same day. Unlike a sonic tube where we have to come back, paying guys to go home, that's just not gonna work. Another reason we love this product, it's readily available at our local distributor. They can deliver it with our deck package right on the truck. Perma-Column actually comes with this great brochure, and it actually lists the ICC certification here and the span charts, the span tables of the product. So we actually submit this with every permit. Most inspectors will actually reach out to us and say, wow, we are so excited that a product like this has come to market. We've been waiting for something like this, and we're just so excited to be part of it. We like to choose the highest quality products for the best prices. That's what our customers really need.